All right, Ben.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're at the Motorcycle Expo 2015 with a range of mounts for motorbikes.
Do you want to talk me through them?
Sure. So what we've done is we've decked out some motorbike handlebars with a range of RAM possible mounting solutions. So we'll start from this side here. You've got our brake clutch mount here.
Yep.
Just slot straight in with 2 supplied bolts.
Yep.
Next to that, we've got the mirror mount. Commonly used as scooters, but how that works is I'll show you here.
Okay.
It acts as a washer essentially, so if you've got a bolt that you can take out and replace with this in between it, or just pinch it between your mirror there, gives you a nice mounting point. Just behind that, I'll move the mirror out of the way, no, it doesn't move. We've got our brake reservoir cover.
Yep.
It's quite a popular one, so that just slots on top of the existing cover.
Yep.
On top of that, we've actually got an X-grip mounted, so the X-grip is our universal foam mounting solution, which is recommended for motorbikes as well.
So that takes pretty much any phone and sat-navs as well, some sat-navs.
Any phone with or without a case and some sat-navs, whatever fits between those dimensions essentially.
Yep.
Okay, so next to that we've got a few of our handlebar mounts, so we'll start from here. It's just your basic U-bolt with a vertical mounting position there.
So that's a vertical mounting U-bolt, yep.
And then further along here we've got our M8 replacement bolt, so this ball just has a hole in the top and it's supplied with a few different M8 bolts.
I see, yeah.
Take out one of these here on your handlebar frame and replace it with the supplied bolt with the ball in between, and then you've got, that's a really good popular mounting point. Next to that here we've got our standard U-bolt, which is just a horizontal U-bolt, and the last one here we've got, which is really a great new product, it's called the Tough Claw. So this is a quick release clamp for any bars between those ranges. They do come in different sizes, so if you've got a roll cage you want to go onto, it can be done. Simply place it on the bar. It's rubber lined, so when you hand tighten it, it actually provides you a really sturdy mounting surface, which is absolutely great for action cameras, just to quickly get a position somewhere and lock it off and you're good to go.
Yeah, that is quick.
So that's those bars. We'll just move along and give a brief overview of some of the sat-navs and whatever else we have available to mount.
Yep.
So you'll see here, RAM mostly do a dedicated cradle for a lot of the Garmin and TomTom sat-navs. So if you just want a dedicated holder for your sat-nav, then most likely we've got something to do that. Again here the X-grips, just showing different phones in them, and we've got some new products here that from another company called Tigra, Cycle, which supply them. They're called the Bike Console. And they're splash-proof and fully waterproof options to mount and secure your phone on your bike.
So just to be clear, this is obviously not one of our products, but other products can interface with our mounts. That's what's going on here.
If you just look underneath, they've made a mounting point that attaches to our diamond base. So once you've got that on the back, it's pretty simple to get it attached up to your RAM mounting system there.
Okay.
Right there.
What's this one here?
This is the Aquabox. It's a waterproof enclosure for various different devices, but if you've got a sat-nav that you just want to get inside a waterproof enclosure,
so that's good if you're wanting to put a car sat-nav on your bike. Obviously there's some significant savings to be made there.
It makes it waterproof, and you can route cable and power through the back of that.
Okay,
so we'll move on to our last handlebars now. So you'll notice this is a different frame here. The ones over there were your typical sort of tubular rail handlebars. This is like more of a sports bike setup. So again, you'll see some of the mounting options repeated there. The brake clutch mount, the mirror mount, which is actually a flat plate this time. And again, brake reservoir mount. We've got another M8 bolt here, because sometimes on these bikes you might find you've got a bolt on the yoke here that you can take out and replace with our M8 stuff. U-bolt here, if you've got a tiny bit of rail that you can get onto, most of the time you might be able to get a U-bolt on there, which is really good.
And again, that's a bolt that can replace the mirror.
Yeah, correct. I believe that's one of our screw-in ones there. So here we've got another action camera, the Garmin Verb, and RAM have just made a custom adapter to slot underneath the factory cradle. And once you've got the ball on there, you can then attach it to your RAM mounting system anywhere you'd like. So, seen all the mounts there on the handlebars. If you're looking to build your own mount, it basically falls into 3 different categories. You've got your holders and adapters, your arms, and your bases. So
you pick the holder first?
Yeah, you come to us and you say, I want to mount my GoPro. So you find your adapter. So this is the adapter here for the GoPro, which slots onto the underside of the camera. And then you need to choose your arm. So there's 3 different sizes. You've got a short arm, which is just under 2 inches. You've got your standard arm, which is about 3.5. and your long arm, which is about 6.
Okay.
And once you've got your arm, you just need to get a base onto your bike to get the whole mount connected together.
So that's what we've just been seeing on the bars, the bases, yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
Yep.
So here are all the different ranges of bases.
Yep.
One that we didn't actually show on the bars because it wasn't there is the adhesive plate.
Yep.
And that one can just attach to the fairing, or anywhere you've got a sort of flat surface, you can get an adhesive base.
What else have we got here that wasn't on the bars that we didn't?
A universal fork stem mount.
So that's an expanding plug.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yep.
And the rest of the stuff is all on the bars.
Yeah, we saw that. Okay. Brilliant. Thanks for that, Ben.
See you next year.